How to remove auto download in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to remove the auto download option in this app, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the bottom, just right here, select it. Then here you can find data and storage, just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find automatic media download. Now simply tap onto one of these just like this, and here you can find auto download media, just right here. Now to turn it off or remove it, simply tap onto this green button and turn it off just like this. Now do the same for using Wi-Fi as well, just like this. And now you can see the automatic media download is now disabled. And that's it. This is how you can remove auto download in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.